this report, we can analyze and visualize any organization's large amount of training and achievements data effectively. It provides an overview over all the important metrics which an organization needs to keep a track from the different sources. This first tab of the report is a summary for the rest of the tabs coming forward. At the top, we have our standard filters to filter the tab accordingly. We have few major KPIs also right here. We have a visual about the certifications here where we can see the difference between the actual and the target certifications. We have training feedback, training day coverages. Also here, we do have the total number of training days for each year. Next to which there is employees learning coverage and the channel distribution. We also have the few important insights also. The visuals here are the summary for upcoming tabs where we can dig through more details for each of them. Here we have the detailed view for the training days distribution where we can see the distribution across different job levels, regions, BU and SSU. We have total training days and average training day values, and we can also analyze here in the scatter plot that higher these values are, near they are there from target, and lower these values, far the target is. Moving forward, on this next tab, we have detailed visuals for employee certification which shows the certification details over different job levels, regions. Also, we can analyze this through this column chart where we can see total completed certifications, in progress certifications and the desired target also. Moving forward, on the next tab which we have here is the learning channel distribution. Here we have different channels like certification, digital and workshop, and we can see its distribution through different band, region and BU wise, along with a separate visual which is here right at the top where we can see the details about different channels also, which are e-learning, webinar, video based and mobile based. Next, we have our last tab. The last tab of this report analyzes the skilling request distribution where we have came across various parameters and distributions like BU and regions, and we can differentiate between the existing and upcoming skills also. Here we can see we have different existing skills and upcoming skills ratio across different BUs, different regions, and we have different participations and skilling requests also. For major insights, we can see that the existing skills have been the part of the industry over a long period, whereas the upcoming skills are the new emerging technologies right here.